Hello everyone, today I'll be cooking my personal favourite. You'll ask why? Well, first, my family, especially my husband, loves this dish. Secondly, I love it because I can prepare it very quickly. Presenting straight from the heart of Gujarat, Kathiyawadi Vaghareli Khichdi, and today this recipe is going to be Kamal. So let's get started. Let's start with rinsing some dals. For this khichdi, I'm going to be using 3 different kinds of dals. I have here 1/4 cup of yellow moong dal, 1/4 cup of tur dal and 1/4 cup of green moong dal. Rinse all these dals at least 2 to 3 times. I have here 3/4 cup of rice. I've taken Basmati rice. You can take any rice of your choice. And I've also washed it 3 times. And now I'm going to add the dals and the rice in a pressure cooker. Into this, I'm also going to add in some veggies. I have here 1 potato chopped, half a cup of green peas, 1 carrot chopped, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon ghee. Add in 2.5 cups of water. Give it a good mix. Turn on the flame. Khichdi is comfort food for everyone, and everyone has their own style of making it. And today I'm going to be making it in my style by adding MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic, and that is going to make it even more flavorful. Let's move this pressure cooker on this flame. Turn on the flame and cook this for 4 whistles on high flame. Let's quickly make the masala for this. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 piece cinnamon and 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 2 dry red chilies, half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, a few curry leaves, 1 onion finely chopped. Saute the onions till they are nice and soft. 4 whistles are up, turn off the flame and let the pressure cooker cool down. Once the onions are nice and soft, add in 4 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute everything till the tomatoes are nice and soft. All these ingredients are sauteed, and now let's open the pressure cooker. The rice and the dals as well as the vegetables are nicely cooked. Time to add them in. Add in more water to make the khichdi soft. Give this a good mix. Cover and let this simmer for at least a good 7 to 8 minutes. Our khichdi is almost ready, and time to add the final touches with MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic. So whenever I cook dal, sabzis or even khichdi, I make sure to add MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic, and that elevates the flavors perfectly. That's because it's made with 10 different spices, roasted and blended to perfection. MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic adds an extraordinary taste to your everyday recipes. Always remember to add this in your dals or sabzis 2 to 3 minutes before turning off the flame. Give this a mix. Cover this and let this cook for 2 minutes. And now I'm just going to give it a simple ghee tadka, for which I'm going to heat up 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is slightly hot, add in 2 dry red chilies. Let them temper. Add in a handful of coriander leaves, turn off the flame and pour this tadka over the khichdi. Our Kathiyawadi Vaghareli Khichdi is ready and the kitchen is full of aroma and I can't wait to taste. Wow, this is just perfect. I'm going to be serving it with some achar or papad. You can even serve it with your favorite raita. Do subscribe, share and comment for more such delicious recipe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.